Good morning. Welcome to Occam's Razor, gardening, cooking, and canning. Please give us a follow. If you're on Rumble, give us a like. If you're on YouTube, really, we concentrate on Rumble here because we don't really depend on CommieTube, because they always change their community standards and just arbitrarily cancel channels. So enjoy the YouTube while you can. Seem to have a bee in our raspberry bush. Busily working away. I'm starting to get worried about the pollinators. I hadn't seen too many around. Our raspberry bush will not produce fruit yet, but the fruit is there. It's always later than the other berry bush in the front. Our compost pile potatoes seem to be doing rather well. Okay, there you go. I got a bird nesting here somewhere. Every time I come here now, this little fella keeps popping up. Where are you? Oh, now you're gone. All right. Okay. Our peppers are doing fine. And this finally getting some growth on this. This one was planted at the same time as this one. Our tomatoes look healthy. Well, the plant anyway. Our tiger lilies did start opening up yesterday again. We'll post a few pictures right here. It's a nice 20 degrees this morning. And we're expecting rain on and off in the next 3 days. There was a bit of a spit around just before 5 o'clock this morning. Nothing really leave much of an impression. I can't even see much moisture on the white patio stones. Our peppers, all our peppers. For the future picklings. And the sunflower. The only one that's growing back here. So let's hope it makes it. All these tiger lilies are starting to get ready to open. Wow. Let's see how well they do with the rain. Okay, let's go down and look at our potatoes in the corner. Everything looks fine. And yeah, this is what happens when it's too low to the ground. Fine. Now, am I gonna have to harvest peas today? I think so. These ones are finally getting big here. Yeah, the pod is starting to discolor. And our potatoes in the potato box continue to flower. All right, our beans. Now I've got a handful of bean plants here. They're finally getting close to climbing. Our other little pitiful patch had a lot of critter issues, replants. Just like the back. I think I must have replanted more often in the back because now the back is getting ready to be a better provider. Big kahuna beans, some red beans, a couple of provider beans. We'll see which ones come up. And the peas on this side. Wow. It's just, what is this, episode 35? Yeah. I go all the way back to episode, was it 1.2? And then episode 2. You'll see there was like nothing, next to nothing down here. And now we have this. All right. Let's go look at our zucchini. Oh, good, the flowers are opening again. That's what I like to see. Nice zucchini flower. Oh yeah, look at you, opening back up. These were all closed up yesterday. I was starting to worry because, well, let's look at this little zucchini here that's not growing. See that little yellow zucchini down there? This is kind of what was happening last year, except that we had insects getting into the zucchini flower, not letting it pollinate, and then you'd get a false start on a little zucchini and it would just not grow and it would rot off. And that was my fear, is that it didn't get pollinated. I've only seen a couple of butterflies so far this spring. I do spend a lot of time outside. I know I have bumblebees nearby. Wasps. But as you can see, I've only seen one bumblebee when I come up here this morning. Well, our basil pot is doing wonderful. Clean that out a little. Should we got the weeds and not the basil? There we go. I love basil, especially in my recipe of aglio e olio. And I think we'll put a card right here if you're on YouTube. If not, there'll be a link down below. Onions doing quite well. Our kale. It's amazing. You'd figure after plant bolts, you know, done. Not the kale. And our little kale growth down there for a new plant. And hopefully that plant will survive through the winter, like this one, and then start producing first thing in the spring. Such a hardy plant. First to harvest, last to harvest. In this garden anyway. Does a lot better in cooler weather. Right, our other pea patch in front of the squash cage. We'll get harvest and then the plant will die back and the whole area will clear off. And it'll just be for the squashes. Alright, here we can see one of the squash vines making its way. Oops, a little focus there. Alright. It's climbing. Didn't have to train that one. Ooh, that little drop. Supposed to get some rain. Oh God, these things. Hey, you're on the wrong flower. Go do my zucchini. just keep climbing. There we go. But this one here is coming out to climb. These vines, they just shoot out without... Like this growth here is new from yesterday. So I gotta come back out here and make sure that trains up towards this and then climbs. Now I had a few vines in this one. This one here is being trained along. He was going the wrong way. This one here also going the wrong way. So we'll have to train that one towards the mesh. Good. This vine here is going the right way, and so is that one there. Okay. Oh, I'll have to get down there and get rid of that leaf. Let's see if we can do that. Oh no, I'm gonna have to climb in there. Wow. Careful now. Don't be stepping on the plants. Oh, I just damaged this one. Okay, be careful. All right, you. Okay. All right, well, let us go have a look in the front. And then after that, I have to put on some long sleeves and long pants and pick more berries. It's like right out of a science fiction movie. Well, our lavender plant continues to do rather well. Hostas are starting to push up some flowers. Look at this. Look at the vibrant color. Wow. Ah, yes. Our sunflower still continues to go. And our survivor sunflower, might as well call him Butch, all scarred up. And the other stubborn pumpkin squash. And this one, oh, look at this. Another one has finally popped through. Well, that will be nice. And these. I know there's another one here. That one. Wow, does that ever grow fast? Okay, this one, next couple of days, let's hope you get bigger and be left alone by your neighbors, the climbers. The Morning Glories continues to climb. Ooh, we're getting up there. Okay, our other squash, and of course, oh, a little plant right there. Okay, now, it's twice a day now picking the berries. Well, that one's not ready. That one's ready. Yeah, look at the color on that. That's the way you want them. They get darker, they get sweeter. Look at the berries. So blessed to have all this fruit. Well, thanks for hanging out to the end. Again, please give us a follow. We can really use the followers. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.